Today I'll show you how to go from this to this using my Altoid tin junk journal kit available on my Etsy website. Here's a little envelope inside. Mini file folder with these little cards you'll want to embellish, clocks, tickets. And here's the third one. More that you can embellish. Here's the bottom, the inside, and the top. Here's some of the materials you'll need: scissors, glue stick, burnisher, sandpaper, hole punch, small alphabet, clear plastic ruler, this Altoid type metal tin. These are available on Amazon, and I give you the link on my Etsy website under this Altoid tin kit. You'll also need these papers that I printed out from my Altoid tin kit on my Etsy website. I printed some of them front and back so that when you cut them out they'll be two-sided. Start by tracing out the top of your tin. Then you'll cut this out on the inside of this trace line, because you want it to be a little bit smaller than your trace line. And you'll trace two of these, one for the outside top and one for the inside of the top. The third one will be for the bottom. So now you'll set your Altoid tin on the bottom and trace around that and cut along the inside. I cut about 1/16 of an inch inside my trace line. So I'm going to measure this. Oh, the bottom's going to fit well. The top is going to fit well. And this one on top will fit well. I decided to go with the Hickory Smoke Distress ink because my container's black. So I like to, personally, I ink straight from this pad. I like it kind of like that, not real neat. Take your sandpaper, rough it up a little bit on the inside and the outside for good adhering of the paper to the metal. Now would be the time also if you want to do something for your cover, the top of your Altoid lid, which is going to be this one. There was some scraps, see, on the back, and I just took those and used this small stamp set and created the words love and joy. Now I'm gluing those on. I think I forgot to mention you want to have that. See the back side of that? Where that was the cut line. I don't throw anything away until I'm done. So now we have that finished. I stamped them. I inked around the edges. Now I'll take this and glue that really well. I enjoy using a stick. So here's the outside going on. And if you notice that gray, I'm going to take my burnisher . Now I've glued the backs of all my pieces and I'm fitting them in here. The top, I'm also going to do this a little bit. I've cut out almost everything I'm going to use for this, and I just wanted to show you a couple of reasons why I have this hole punch. For this ticket, instead of trying to cut them out, I'm just going to go like that. Now I'll show you how to do the little envelope that comes with it. So I inked the edges already. This is what's great about this clear ruler, is you can measure and align all your lines up. You can see what you're doing underneath. And I already did that one. So we're going to fold it and burnish it. Fold it like this. Just kind of really get those folds in well. Take our glue. Be real cautious here. See, there's not much overlap. Either way, you could do it either way. I kind of like that. I'm just going to take some glue and run it along this edge quite a bit. And then this will really help solidify it all and keep it together. Bring that one up. So now your envelope's done. Now we'll assemble. Get your tin out. Here's your little file folder. I've inked everything. We can begin to put a few things. Now you'll want to embellish these, maybe with your own little sayings or scripture or whatever you'd like to put in there. There's one. Here's one I started. I love this kit. It's absolutely adorable. Here's two. Let's just put another one in here for time. Now we have two in there. Now here's your little envelope. Oops. Let's put that in the right way. There you go. How cute is that?